Welcome to our tutorial on how to upload a new chat group photo on X, Twitter, on PC. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Open X on your PC to access your Twitter account. Step 2. On the left side of the page, click on Messages to enter your chat conversations. Step 3. In the address box, enter the name of the group chat for which you want to upload a new photo. Step 4. Click on the specific group chat to enter the conversation. Step 5. Within the group conversation, locate and click on the information icon to access the conversation settings. Step 6. Once in the group info page, click on the More icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Select Upload New Photo from the options. Step 7. Choose the photo you want to upload as the new group chat photo. By following these steps, you can easily update the group chat photo on X, Twitter, using your PC, allowing you to personalize and enhance your group chat experience with a new image. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in demonstrating how to upload a new chat group photo on X, Twitter, on PC. Enjoy customizing your group chat and adding a personal touch with a new photo.